I honestly look like a biker chick right now, but I kind of dig it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with yet another haul from a sketchy website, and this is going to be a try-on haul. I spent a lot of money at Romwe. If you guys have heard of Romwe, Romwe is basically the same exact thing as Shein. If you've heard of Shein, I think Shein might be like the little bit more popular one, but just to prove that both of them are the same, I'll show you guys. I got a glasses case, I got sunglasses, and they say Shein on it, even though I ordered it from Romwe. So they are the exact same website, come from the exact same place. If you guys have never heard of Romwe or Shein before, it's a website where you can get trendy clothes for very cheap. By very cheap, I mean $2. You can get shirts for $2. So I went on and I bought a bunch of stuff because I wanted to do a try-on haul for you all. I know there are so many try-on hauls out there of Romwe, but that just goes to show that I personally love to watch them, and I know that other people do, so I thought that I would add to the bunch. I definitely got some weird clothes. I wanted to get a variety of stuff. I just didn't want to play it safe, you know. I got some weird stuff, and some turned out, some stuff really turned out and some didn't. And if you're new here, I'm Julia. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will put it right here. I've been working so hard on my theme. Also, everything I purchase will be in the description. You can go get it yourself if you like it. Well, the first thing I got is actually what I'm wearing. I know I kind of look like a biker, but I have been seeing this trend a lot and I love it. Even though some people are like, Julia, this is not you. You were like the girliest girl ever and you were wearing a do-rag. But I got a bandana. I also got it because I wanted to wear it around my neck. You know, you look like a flight attendant. I really like that style too. It has cactuses on it. It's so cute, and I'm wearing it as a do-rag. You just tie it, and I thought it was such a cute trendy look, and you know, I dig it. I really dig it. I do look like a biker chick, but I dig it. This was pretty great quality. I have nothing bad to say about it. It just feels like a normal bandana. It's big enough that I can tie it around my head, tie it around my neck. It's got cactuses on it, like I said, cacti, sorry, cacti. It's got cacti on it, and I really match everything we got going on behind me. So if you've ever shopped on Romwe before, they have tons of graphic tees, and I love all of them. I wish I could buy every single one, and I probably could, and it wouldn't be that expensive because they're all like, they range from like $2 to like $15, which really is not bad at all. And I would say they're pretty good quality to me. So I got a little weird one just because I was feeling it, you know. I don't know why I got such weird stuff. I was just kind of having a day where I was like, let me just buy all of the weird stuff that I can. But it's this graphic tee that is striped green. It's very stretchy, and it has a cactus on it that says "Don't touch me" with a little person behind it. I figured I could wear this on like a Monday where you really just don't want anyone to talk to me or touch me, you know. So the shirt says it all. I ain't even gotta tell anyone, but it's full. It's not like a big t-shirt. I got it in, I'm pretty sure I got it in a medium. Yeah, I got it in a medium. I usually get all of their graphic tees in a medium just because I like them to be oversized, and everything on Romwe is very small fitted. I can do it tied in a cute little knot, or I can just wear it down with some high-waisted shorts. This next one is a little bit of an iffy one. It looked so cute on the website. I will show you a picture of it right here. You can see why I bought it. It came... First thing that I noticed, first thing I noticed that it is very see-through. Like, this doesn't even do it justice. It's very see-through, which is fine. I can wear a bralette with it, but the other thing is that it is extremely short. Like this, I could probably shrink a little bit and then wear it as a shirt. The ties are definitely super confusing. There's like, hold up. There's like 2 ties on each side, and then they're like not connected to anything. And then in the back, there are holes for it. I'm very iffy about this one, but the good thing is it was very cheap. That's a good thing. It's like a Russian roulette with clothes, but like the penalty is $2. So this next thing I got, I love. I have really been wanting something snakeskin. I haven't gotten on this trend yet, haven't gotten anything snakeskin, but then I saw this and I loved it. It's very stretchy material. It's kind of like not really what I expected. I don't know how to describe the material. It's like spandex kind of, but it's this snakeskin bandeau, and I love it. I really love it, and I think that it'll go great on like a night out with maybe like a black skirt, black high-waisted pants, anything high-waisted. It's gonna look so good with. So these next shorts I'm pretty upset about. I like don't know what I was thinking. Like, I knew that Romwe runs really small and I should have gotten a large because I wanted these to be comfortable, but they're these shorts. And I just wanted to wear them like around the house. I love types of shorts like these, even if I just wear them to class with like a cute t-shirt. I love this stuff. But this waist is so tiny. It nearly cuts off my circulation. They really look like they are made for a child. So if you're gonna get these, I recommend getting a large if you're my size. This next romper I got, I have so much love for. I have already worn this twice in like a week. I love it that much. It's this striped romper. It's navy blue and white, and then the bottom it kind of flares out. So cute. And then the top is the stretchy material. I love this. I've been trying to wear more like rompers and dresses this summer rather than t-shirts, just because one, it's just 500 times more comfortable, and two, I just wanted to look a little more presentable in like my everyday life, because in college all I wear are t-shirts and sport shorts. That's all I wear. So I was like, why not just step up my wardrobe a little bit now that I can, and no one will look at me weird when I do, because in college if you dress up for class, people look at you like, what the heck? At least they do at my school. So I love this. Fits me perfectly, and again, this is in a size medium. Everything is pretty much a medium, I think. Yeah. When I got these pants, everyone was like, what the heck, Julia, you look like me in 7th grade. They looked so cute on the website, okay? They're these track pants. They're like stretchy, and on the side they're like buttons, but they're snap buttons, and they go all the way down the leg, so you can open it wherever you want. They go all the way up to the seam. They are not that bad, okay? My only, like, I dig them, you know, like I like them. People think they're weird, but I still really like them. The only problem is that they are too small, unfortunately. I did get a size medium. I should have definitely gotten a size large because they were way too short. They hit at my ankle. I really like them anyways. They're very stretchy. I'll probably find some way to wear them. Next, I got this Bandeau shirt, which is so cute, very stretchy. It's like the material of the top of the romper, so it stays up very well. And it has flowers on it. My only really confusing part about this is the flowers are on like both sides of it. So you would think it's reversible, but it's definitely not, because you see the seam in the middle. But then when you're looking at it, you see outlines of flowers, but then you flip it over and it's like the actual flower. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, it looks like it's inside out right now because you're seeing like what's on the back of it. Otherwise, it fits really well. I love this. I love this so much. This is yet another Bandeau shirt, but it says honey on it. It's upside down. It says honey on it. It's so adorable. It reminds me of Winnie the Pooh. I've really been digging this trend, so I thought I had to hop on it. And I love the material of this. It feels like cotton. It's like a stretchy cotton. Not sure what it actually is. Oh, it's cotton. It's 100% cotton. That's nice. And then it has elastic around the top and bottom to keep it on. And I love it so much. It's so... I need to stop saying cute. I'm really sorry. It's so hard doing hauls and not saying cute over and over again because all this stuff is just so cute. Sorry. This last thing that I got, again, people told me I was weird, but this goes to show I ordered this from I ordered this from Romwe, and it says Shein on it, so there's your proof if you needed it that they're the same. If you couldn't even tell by the looks of both their websites, they're exactly the same with all the same stuff. I've really been wanting a pair of cat eye sunglasses, and it's a trend. You know my whole thing, like why spend a lot of money when it's just a trend and it's gonna go out in like a month or two. So I got these. I don't know how much they were. I want to say like $3. maybe less. I decided to go a little crazy with them and get red instead of black. They kind of make me feel like these and the pants make me feel like I should be like a NASCAR race or something, but I really dig them. I look ridiculous right now with this do-rag on my head, but they're really cute and I love them. I think they'll look really good in any outfit I can find with it. I feel like kid sunglasses, like obviously no protection probably from them, but and they're very like plasticky, but that's kind of what I expected for like $2, $3, however much they were sunglasses, so I'm really not complaining. So that is all that I have from Romwe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet already for videos pretty often. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time.